I'm going to show you the process that I use for myself to self-reflect. The first thing you want to do is download an app called Earkick. It's available for iOS. Once you go into the app, you can do mood check-in. And what I usually like to do is I like to have the microphone dictate what I'm saying. And I also like to screen record it at the same time. Earkick natively has an option to have it record your dictation, but it won't transcribe it at the same time. For me, I prefer using the dictation option because it's kind of different from like typing out your feelings to actually saying them out loud. And I felt that I was able to recognize more of my emotions better when I used the dictation. And it's also easier to talk about your feelings if you're kind of saying them out loud. It's almost kind of like you're talking to a friend, except you're talking to an AI bot. So let's do a check-in and I'll kind of show you what it looks like. I am filming a YouTube video right now and I'm showing my audience how this app works. So I'm going to talk into the phone so I can show everyone this after. Today went really well. I went to my talent agent's barbecue and met a lot of really cool people, so that was really fun. And then I came home to finish my YouTube video. It was a little bit frustrating filming my YouTube video because I had tech issues and other issues that occurred and I could not do it before the barbecue. So I had to come home and finish it after. But overall, half of my day was good. The other half was a little bit stressful. And I'm looking forward to finishing my YouTube video. So once I'm done doing the dictation, I'm going to hit save, and then it's going to use AI to analyze my mood. So right here, it's saying that my mood is good. My emotions are satisfied, enthusiastic, calm. My level of anxiety is 2, and it just gave me the reasons that I kind of said. So it auto-selected them for me based on what I told it. Now we're going to go save, and the little cute panda bear is going to give me some words of encouragement. So saying, "Wow, Carmen, your dedication is truly inspiring. It's incredible how you balance a fun event with your creative work. Remember, overcoming those tech issues shows just how resilient you are. Here's a quote to keep you going. The struggle you're in today is developing the strength you need for tomorrow. What's one small thing you're proud of accomplishing today? Let's celebrate that win." So it's pretty cute. You can pick the type of panda that you want. So there's different types of panda bears. You can pick the default one, which is empathetic AI counselor. You can pick the captain panda, which is a tough, no-nonsense AI mentor who pushes you to take action to get your results. There's a coach panda, which is your AI for fitness and wellness tips, motivating you to hit your goals and stay healthy. So there's a whole bunch here. There's actually, I think PFF Panda is new, which is exciting. I'll have to try that one. And you can even customize the personality of your panda. This one is new, so I'm excited to try this one. These are all tools that you can just use to learn more about yourself. And if you want to learn more about mental health, click here for the next video.